Hello and welcome to the Demolition video. Hope you like it. Let's go. Okay, so this was 2023. I thought I was building a studio in this room in the back. At the time I wasn't going to tear everything down. So I was just focusing on the tearing down that brick wall to create a 30 square meter room. And we can see the kitchen in the back. So that was the idea. Just this room as a studio.
Okay.
So I was being careful not to damage the wood floor too much because I thought I was keeping them at the time. So I was kind of gentle. And we had the lead paint probably on the door frame. So it had to go. Also this weird lowered ceiling. So we took it all down thanks to my friends. So up there we had a plaster on wooden slats. And we also had bricks held with hooks.
À mon tour.
So now the ceiling's down. I had to take out the wooden floor and take off the rusty nails. We found a few nuts and other food leftovers from rats and a couple of rats skeletons. Then I was lucky to have even more friends to strip the walls coating, which was cement and plaster. So on covering the stone walls, we took out in total around 10 tons of rubble, mostly cement and bricks, and a bit of plaster. Of course, we had state-of-the-art protections. And then we were cheering for Gab. That was his moment.
T'as insulté. Il a insulté ta mère. Il a insulté ton père. Il a insulté ton père.
So another wall down. So we opened up another room and back to stripping the walls coating in the end of 2023. So slowly uncovering the stone walls. I had no idea what to do next, but yeah, everything that was kind of dodgy and fragile and had to go. And some cleaning. That's the studio part. On the river side. Now we're back in the kitchen, which is by the road. So yeah, at the time I thought I was keeping this room here on the left, and this one as well. But then we took everything down. So we filled the cracks between the stones with the lime and sand. And we took everything off, stripped everything, including the ceilings. The next step was, like I said, fixing the cracks between the stones. I guess it's called repointing. So we used only lime and sand. So that's before, with all the walls, all the partitions and different rooms, and that's after. So that's around 10 tons of rubble gone. But now we need windows. So my friend came here to help installing windows. So he made a cut here in the concrete blocks in what seems to be an old entrance. So let's rewind a little bit. This was 1 year ago. We can see the old entrance with the small opening, and my friend cut a bigger, slightly bigger opening. And also with my dad, we reopened this window on the left here. It was just a frame with old beams. I don't know what it was, but we reopened and took off the bricks. And the second one is an old wood frame that was there. So we are sanding in order to install the new window. So that's it for the demolition video. On to the next chapter. See you soon.